Post-surgical experience was quite interesting. Because my experience was in a surgery center, we were released the same day. I was amazed by the amount of mobility I had even or right after the procedure. My name is Len. The procedure that I had performed by Seaview Orthopedic was total knee replacements. I've known Dr. Mark for about 10 years. I found Dr. Mark by coming to Seaview Orthopedic, and my first type of care was really shots in my knee. When it needed to escalate up to a surgical intervention, Dr. Mark was recommended, and I can say that I did my background review of him, and he comes out extremely well in his reviews, and I can understand why. My symptoms before the surgery were generally pain. The activities I could continue to do, but it was more painful to accomplish some of those activities. Actually, on a rainy day, everything down to walking could be more difficult. I've gotten all of my mobility back. It's interesting to see the process of the healing. And again, between the left knee and the right knee, the process was almost identical. And I believe that's a credit to the physical therapy, because over a period of time, as the muscles come back to and the healing process of the wound actually is better, you can start to get back 100% of where you were. Seaview Orthopedic did a nice job following up and put in place many different programs which I wouldn't have known about, including home care with nursing and immediate physical therapy, and then put me into the physical therapy program that's under their own roof. The best advice for any future patient would really be to listen to their surgeon and follow the directions of the team, because maybe your first surgery for these things, and hopefully your only surgery for these things, they've done and been through this many times before.